Recruitment metrics are key performance indicators that measure the effectiveness of the recruitment process. They include quality of hire, cost per hire, time to fill, source of hire, and offer acceptance rate. They provide insights into the quality, cost, and productivity of your hiring process. Recruitment metrics are used to influence and determine the success of the talent acquisition function. Recruitment metrics are crucial for making informed decisions, controlling recruitment spend, enhancing quality of hire, driving continuous improvement and success in recruitment. Top 5 challenges recruiters face. Talent shortages. In a competitive job market, finding the right candidates with the right skills can be a daunting task. Candidate experience. Crafting a positive candidate journey is crucial for attracting top talent. Skill assessment. Evaluating candidates' skills and competencies accurately can be challenging. Traditional resumes may not provide a complete picture, and assessing technical or specialized skills can be complex. Market insights and trends. Staying informed about industry trends, salary benchmarks, and evolving job market dynamics is essential for successful recruitment. Time and resource constraints. Juggling multiple roles and responsibilities within a limited time frame is an ongoing struggle for recruiters. Here's our solution for you. Predictive sourcing strategies. Leverage recruitment metrics to analyze historical data and trends, enabling you to predict future talent shortages. Data-driven engagement. Utilize recruitment metrics to gain insights into candidate preferences and behaviors. Metrics-backed skill evaluation. Incorporate skill-based metrics to enhance skill assessment. Data-backed market understanding. Utilize recruitment metrics to stay informed about market trends. Analyze recruitment data to identify shifts in candidate preferences, salary expectations, and job market demands. Process optimization. Using recruitment metrics, master the art of process optimization. Identify bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and automate repetitive tasks using data-driven insights, freeing up valuable time for strategic recruitment efforts. Don't miss out. This comprehensive 2-day workshop will shine the spotlight on the importance of making data-driven hiring decisions through the use of the most effective metrics in order to optimize recruitment strategies and improve overall hiring outcomes. When you attend, you will be able to apply the skills of gathering, parsing, and analyzing recruiting data to improve recruitment outcomes. Measure candidate experience and metrics to gain higher retention rates. Get more qualified applicants and hire the best candidates. Understand the top 10 most important recruitment metrics. Connect recruiting efforts to business results and ROI. Know the types of sourcing metrics and tools available. Sign up with us if you are MAD enough. MAD stands for Making a Difference if your organization wants to optimize recruitment strategies and improve overall hiring outcomes. Contact us to know more.